An unbelievable match was happened in 2019 IPL. Some marvelous batsmen were always there in cricket. They showed wonders to the world. People believed that if he was in the crease, we could win the match, even though the match demanded high required run rate. Shahid Afridi, Abdul Razak of Pakistan, Chris Kane of Kiwis, Kieron Pollard of West Indies were star players who conquered the world with their hand power. They were not resembled with best finishers of the team like Dhoni and Michael Bevan. But opposite team was never safe in the match when they were in crease. Despite opposite team had a good defending target, fearfulness never stopped in captain's mind. Andre Russell of West Indies was one of that category player. Absolutely a mankin of Caribbean robustness. Going to the peculiar innings showcased by the Andre Russell, match between Bangalore-Kolkata in 2019 IPL. Russell's acknowledgement in latest interview revealed that Kohli's provocation fueled that innings. Going to the match directly before talking about what provocation was lead to the situation. Toss won by Kolkata sent RCB to bat first in the match conducted at Bangalore Chinnaswamy Stadium. As usual, merciless knock by the Kohli and De Villiers constituted a safe grand total of 205. Kohli was fully aware about his bowling department, so he never hesitated to score runs in the match. The KKR began their reply batting with good pace, but they hadn't scored a well score in power play as far as to break a giant 205 total. Kolkata lost their wickets without any big hitting. Relief on Kohli. He believed that his bowlers never gave up their captain's hope. Russell came to the crease in 16th over, then 67 runs required from 26 balls to win. Captain Dinesh Karthik downfallen at the very next 17th over. Again, a relief in RCB camp, but Kohli made one mistake, his usual aggressiveness. Kohli celebrated that wicket by turning towards the Kolkata camp in gallery. He showed his gesture, "Come on" to the Venki Mysore, CEO of the Kolkata team and wives of the team players. Quite natural. Kohli always be like that. One difference this time. Whatever the bash or even he fall into the ground or his failure is fixed forever, before his last breath, he could rise and hit back against the opponent by saying, "I am not yet done." Yes, Andre Russell was in crease at that time. Russell told to the Gill that he was going to attack all the ball against him and he needed to get more strikes by the help of Gilly. Gilly's reply was like, "As you said." That was his reply to his senior. Then KKR needed 53 runs from 80 balls to win. The Bangalore didn't knew about the danger which going to happen. Like he said, Gilly given strike to Russell by took a single in first ball itself. Russell hit a big sixer in a beamer by Siraj. Umpire banned Siraj for his second beamer. Stonis bowled remaining balls in the over. Next spell given to Southee, that was in second last over. 30 runs required from 12 balls. Bangalore fans believed that Southee could keep their belief, but Southee failed to tie up the loose ends because of fearless Andre Russell. 4 sixer and 1 boundary. Kohli and De Villiers reached near to the Southee to advise him in the gap of each sixes, but their strategies were not enough to shed Russell's blood. Southee had been playing international cricket for 10 years. Without a fighting, Southee completely surrendered before powerful Russell. Helpless Kohli was seen more pathetic in the field. Kohli decided to change his team and included an experienced bowler like Southee because of repeated losses in last matches. That Southee was conceded here a huge runs in crucial over. Perhaps Kohli would thought about the changes he needed to implement in the team before the next match. Kohli's kaput face was a common scenery in those days. Southee conceded 29 runs in his last over. Russell procured victory from RCB in last over with 5 balls remaining. Russell told in an interview the provocation of Kohli actually vexed him and it was an inspiration behind match-winning innings. 48 runs from 13 balls was Russell's contribution to the team. At that night, once again, Kolkata fans were bowed towards Caribbean stamina